Hi, welcome back to Car Training. Today we're talking about permissions and employee permissions. So to access global permissions, you would go to My Account and Permissions. This will bring you to the page where you can adjust permissions based on roles. So here we are looking at manager permissions. We can switch to advisor and switch to technician. So going over using the manager, you have the ability to view, add, edit, or delete. Here you have the name of the permission, and hovering over the I, the information bubble, will give you its description. View all customers and vehicle profiles. So as a manager, you would want that person to view it, add it, edit it, and deleting is not an option. You can also search for permissions based on our search box here. In order to adjust permissions based on an employee, you must go back to My Account and select Employees. From that screen, you can then select the employee that you're interested in adjusting permissions for, click Action, and Set Permissions. This will load the permissions directly for that employee. This employee is an advisor, and he has all advisor standard permissions. If you want this employee, for instance, to be able to add and edit customers, this is the page that you would be able to do it in, specifically for that employee. Once you are done, you would press Submit on the bottom, and it would now save these permissions for said employee. Thank you very much for watching Car. Have a great day. We'll catch you on the next one.